We've just acquired this absolutely gorgeous Audi Q7 3-litre TDI quattro, 7 seats. It's in stunning condition throughout. It's got a lot of extras on it. Upgraded alloy wheels with brand new tyres on the front. Wheel arch extension pack. Side steps, it's finished in gleaming metallic black. Twin exhausts, full S-line body styling kit. Absolutely stunning condition throughout. It's got an electric rear tailgate. It's a 7 seats. You can either have it as 5, 6 or 7. There's another seat there, just showing you how it works. That one can fold down to give you extra luggage space. Full S-line leather interior, as you can see. It's in absolutely lovely condition. Got a button there for your rear tailgate release, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Slips in the side of the car. It's done 63,008 miles. It's got cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, got climate control, obviously it's the automatic, got heated seats there as well. Got adjustable suspension on this car as well. It's all done by the iDrive here. S-line embossed seats. Nice armrest there. DJH, we offer full dealer facilities including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.